Now let's talk a little bit about leveling. One of the incredible things about this machine is how smooth it is when you're quilting. And so in order to ensure the smoothness and optimize this machine, it's very important that the frame be level. These feet are located at the bottom of the frame. So by moving these bolts, I can either raise the feet or lower the feet. And that way I make sure that the frame is level. How do I check to make sure that the frame is level? I take the machine, and if it is level, it'll just smoothly glide where it needs to go. Wherever I leave it, that's where it remains. That shows me that the frame is level. Now, if I've fixed the frame and for whatever reason, my machine is going back or forward or to the sides, I need to make more adjustments to the leveling.